first and last name, and then give me your title here at the restaurant.
David Bice. That's DAVIDBICE for the Bice. I am a server / part-time manager at Mr. Chen's.
So, as you know, the president is coming. Thank you so much. She got us 2 T's. Shout out to y'all.
Yeah.
So, as you know, the president is coming into town tomorrow, and I know some road closures are going to happen. How's that impacting you from what you've been told?
From what we've been told, we expect to be a little bit slow for dinner time tomorrow. We're choosing to stay open the entire time. We're going to have full hours. If anyone wants to walk to Mr. Chen's, they're more than welcome. We will be here. But with 15th and Hackberry being closed, we do expect there to be a lot less people coming in. Just they can't get here.
So you know those streets because that's what I guess the police came around and told you, or how was it communicated?
So we've gotten a couple places. The police did come around and warn us that the roads were going to be closed. That was very nice of them. We appreciate that. Also, several news outlets have been talking about it. I think I just read an article where they announced it, saying roads are going to be closed from 4 o'clock until an undetermined time. Perfectly understandable. Like I said, we do expect it to be a little bit slower than usual. But we're going to be here.
If it is, I guess, that to the point where it's super slow, how are you guys preparing?
So we typically have on a Thursday night 3 to 4 servers. But if we're particularly slow for any reason, not just this one, we'll send a couple of them home. No need to waste their time. Nobody's making any money. We'll keep 1 or 2 of them around, probably me. We'll keep 1 or 2 of them around, and we'll just be here until we close.
It seems like everybody, the city's being pretty responsive with this, going around. That was pretty cool to see everybody going around and telling you guys. I mean, it may be a little inconvenience, but, at least they're being responsive. What are your thoughts? Yeah,
no, we absolutely appreciate the warning. Instead of just sitting here on a Thursday night wondering where all the people are at, we for sure have had events that happened. They didn't close the roads, just everyone was elsewhere. They were doing other things, and we were just dead for absolutely no reason. So having a reason, having forewarning is very appreciated. I think we are probably going to turn off DoorDash, just make ourselves not available for DoorDash tomorrow. There's no point if the cars can't get here to deliver the food. But other than that, we plan on being 100% open.
Typical Thursday night, what does that look like for you guys? How busy would you say you are?
I don't know if I'm allowed to give out numbers.
Whatever you can say is cool. I can just
but
right to it.
on a typical Thursday night, me personally, if there's 4 servers here working, I'll make anywhere between $200 $250 in a day. That's working from, we open at 11, we close at 9, and we get a 2-hour lunch break. So it's about 10 hours. So I'd say we do pretty brisk business around here.
Nice. $250 a night.
Yeah, and that's with people typically tipping about 15-20% somewhere in there. Our food not very expensive. It's not like this is a steakhouse. It's not $40 $50 a person. You're looking for lunch, it's maybe about $10 a person. For dinner, you're looking at about maybe $15 $20, depending on if you get a drink or something. So we do pretty good business around here. I very much expect I will not make that much tomorrow.
Gosh, I don't think that happens too much. Jeff, you got anything you want to ask? You got anything you want to say we didn't think to bring up?
Just if you guys are hungry tomorrow and everywhere else is closed, we're here. You just might have to walk a little bit.
All right, that's all we got, man.
All right,
I think we'll get some shots just around the restaurant, get some signage, that type of stuff, and we'll get out of here.
Absolutely, appreciate it.
Thank you, my brother.
Absolutely.
I'll get that off you.
Appreciate you talking with me, man.
Yeah, for sure. Yes, sir.